Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you might notice that I'm wearing a pretty different shirt this morning, and this is because this time I'm kind of representing Megahertz Technologies. This unit comes from Jim in Dallas, Texas, and Jim runs Megahertz Technologies. Jim is a top-notch two-way radio technician. That would be CB, ham, and probably some other stuff, probably emergency services as well. And whenever I get a job from another shop, it usually comes with a few cool gifts. This is one of them. Now, this is a cool shirt that Jim sent to me. He's got his proud Megahertz Technologies insignia on here. He also sent me a billy club that also works as a flashlight, also proudly emblazoned with Megahertz Technologies and Motorola. Let's see, he also sent me this cool insulated mug and this cool insulated beer can holder. And among a few other gifts, there's a couple others that I didn't. They sent me a couple of tape measures, which also come in very handy, and also this super cool, almost like a Swiss Army knife with a crescent wrench attached to it, and that's also going to come in very handy. This thing's got scissors, screwdrivers, got all kinds of cool stuff. So thank you so much, Jim, for these super cool gifts. Now we'll go to Jim's radio. This radio is out of a 70 Chevelle, and Jim has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth, USB, and the HD radio feature. So we're going to turn it on and make sure it works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
Dozens on where to go.
And while we've got it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate our balance and fader functions. Okay.
Remember treasure hunts. It was an adventure.
Okay, virtual front rear fader.
At U-Pickett, we have the grown-up version of your treasure hunt, and your reward is savings. At U-Pickett, the treasure hunt is on. Find your needed car or truck part, bring your own tools, and pull your own parts. Need to get rid of a vehicle? We'll pick it up.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Open 7 days a week.
Balance left. Balance right. Left. Right. Okay, I'm going to center on.
UPickAZ.com.
Balance
set. Okay, let's try the fader.
May 6th. Thanks for making
fader adjust.
Okay.
Monday.
All the way front.
Our just had a
rear.
Front. By
Rear.
Mayor High
Alrighty,
School
I'm going to
students
center
will be
him.
learning about the dangers of impaired driving. School representatives are hosting a
fader set.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
The event will be on Tuesday.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Stories to the students. There will also be several.
Okay, make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick.
Presque Valley Police Department Community Services Special.
Okay, so there's that. Okay, now we're going to switch over to FM, and I have on this radio, pressing the leftmost button forces the AM mode, so you can only preset this to an AM station. The other four you can preset to an FM station if you like. So let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I have the remaining four presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. FM, and it's the stereo, and of course that stereo indicator go out when it goes off station.
Sometimes I feel.
Okay,
pairing not completed.
Okay, pairing not completed because we didn't try to pair it. Okay, let's try the 8-track. And now we're going to press the eject button. And one thing I'll say about this eject button, after 50 years of summer and winter cycles, this plastic becomes very brittle. I really don't like using this eject button because it has a downward slant at the end of it. When you push it straight in, it's going to want to go downward and could possibly break. So whenever you're using this eject button, you want to make doggone sure you're pressing it straight in with no downward motion whatsoever, and then that's how you can eject your tape safely. So that takes care of that. Let's make sure the dial lights come on and off as requested. And there's now this one goes out when a tape's inserted, so that it's not heating up your tape cartridge. So that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that is all on the website and in the work order, and you can save us both about 15 minutes on the phone if you do that research before calling me. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Jim, for your business all the way from Dallas, Texas, from a technician far superior to myself, and we'll see you guys next time.